Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we are going to learn about the fate line. So after this, after watching this video, you will be able to learn how you can identify someone who did on everything by their own hard work. Okay, so as I have already told you, like this is the lifeline, and this is our mind line, and this is our heart line. So if your fate line start from your lifeline, that's mean these persons will earn everything by their own hard work. They don't need any kind of reference, they don't need any kind of help. They will do everything their own. they they will achieve everything, but by their own. They don't like to take more risk. They don't like, actually they are not a risk taker. So they move slowly but gradually. Now at the age of 50 or above, these people will get their own house, their own car, everything, wealth, health. They are like fixed income. So they make fixed income without taking too much risk in life. They just go smoothly. They love to lead a peaceful life. They do or achieve everything by their own. So guys, if you have this type of fate line in your life, in your farm, so definitely you will achieve everything you want, slowly but definitely you will get. Or if you find someone, like if you see this type of line in any of your friends or relatives, okay, you can easily identify their characteristics. So I hope this video will help you figure out your mystery of your life. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.